Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in the world of C#, understanding console output with live demos. But before we jump into the practical stuff, let's quickly review some basic concepts to build a strong foundation. We'll keep things engaging and interactive with a mix of explanations and live demonstrations. And at the end, I'll have a little challenge for you to test your understanding of C# output. So stick around and get ready to learn. Let's talk about what output really means, because hey, even the simplest things can be fun to explore. We'll break it down, keep it entertaining, and make sure you grasp the concept like a pro. Plus, I've got a little challenge waiting for you at the end, so stay tuned. Get ready to laugh and learn at the same time. So, what does output even mean? Imagine your computer like a talking parrot. You tell it something and it squawks something back at you. That squawk is the output. Basically, it's the result of anything your computer does, like the numbers it shows on the screen or the funny messages it displays. Think of a factory producing toys. The toys are the output. Or a writer writing a book. The book is their output. Simple, right? It's just the end result. Now, in the world of programming, output is like the computer's way of talking back to us. It's the information it shows on the screen or wherever it sends the results. And when we talk about the console, think of it like a simple chat window between you and the computer. You type commands, and the computer replies with output. It's like having a text conversation with your computer. Now, in C#, we use the Console.WriteLine method to make the computer talk. It's like giving it a megaphone. For example, if you type Console.WriteLine hello world, the computer will shout hello world on the screen. And you can add as many of these lines as you want. Each one will be printed on a new line, creating a whole conversation. You can even do math, like Console.WriteLine 3 plus 5, and the computer will smartly tell you the answer. And don't forget the Console.Write method. It's like whispering to the computer as it prints everything on the same line. So get ready to experiment and see the power of output firsthand. Now, let's put all this knowledge into practice with a live demonstration. I'll show you how to use these commands in C# and see the output in action. Get ready to see some coding magic unfold right before your eyes. See, coding can be fun. Now, this is the script we will be working with today, and I will show you how to implement it in Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio, New File, and start writing script. Must use inverted commas, string, semicolon, at the end of each statement. I was explaining it all about string in my previous lecture. You can go through it. Press F5 for Start Debugging and yes, your output of the script is there. Want to stop it? Press Shift plus F5. Oh, it takes too much time to write the script, so I'll show you a shortcut. Write the first line of your script, then press Ctrl plus D. It will duplicate the line. You can copy it as many times as you want. Just remember to carefully replace the strings. Now your script is ready in seconds. And you can debug it by pressing the F5 button. Now we'll experiment with mathematical numbers using the same method, but this time with numbers. Have you noticed something? When we debug 3 plus 5, it doesn't add the numbers. It just writes them as is, just like in programming. Now let's do something different. We'll remove the inverted commas. Let's check what happens now. Oh, yes, it's working perfectly now. Yes, the code god have blessed us. Now, here's your challenge. Try creating a simple program that uses Console.WriteLine and Console.Write to tell a short story or share a funny joke. Share your creations in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting coding adventures. See you in the next video.